Did you know? At Viking Plastics Indiana, we exceed customer standards for outstanding automotive interior components. We produce a variety of interior products that have a beautiful Class A finish. Viking's Class A products contain a surface with curvature and alignment with high efficiency and quality. Our experienced, skilled, and diverse workforce ensures the absolute highest quality and best value, conforming to extremely tight tolerances for a smooth, finished look. We blend natural and colorant in-house with our gravimetric blenders, which can be found on all our injection molding machines. Our Class A service products are matched to meet our customers' high standards of correct color, gloss, and texture. At Viking Plastics Indiana, our interior components are manufactured for an attractive appearance to ensure you are riding in style. Visit VikingPlastics.com for more information.